use this thing constantly, and it's by Cuisinart. It has these extra deep, I mean, these waffles that come out of here, and I will insert a picture here, they are like, you know, they're thick, okay? So when they're done, they're about like almost an inch thick, which I love that. Let me show you the front. So it has these 6 different temperature settings here. So you can kind of determine how brown you want your stuff. And when you plug it in, it has a, like, it's heated and then it beeps when it's done. A little green light indicates when it's ready to go. And then once you put the stuff in and you shut it, it beeps. So it gives you an audible like, hey, your waffle's done, come get it before it burns, which I love that because sometimes I get distracted. And as you see, it's sitting up on its end. And that is because, of course, Cuisinart just always bringing the wonderful designs. The way this is built, it's built so that it can, mine is really needs to be clean, so that it can stand on end like that, so it can take up less space if you have, you know, if you need to shove it under something or at the end of the counter. I really do enjoy that. You can see it has this really nice handle. I do be careful about touching this part when it's on because it does get hot. Okay, these little buttons right here on the side, this is what you press to release the plates, and let me show you. So while this is open, and these plates come in and out so easily, so you just press this button, you lift the plate out, press the button, and you heard it pop out, and they just pop out like that. Ooh, this thing is dirty. So it comes with 2 sets of plates. See, it has like the 2 points back here, and then it has 2 points right here. It says upper, so this is the one that goes up top. Just put that there, click, and down here. And so this is, you can make like eggs, or you can make like little mini pancakes is what we use. And this one says lower, and you hear, there you go, you click it into place. And it comes with this little turner, which at first I thought I wouldn't use, and I never ever cook without this thing because it helps to get in there and pick it up and turn it. These things are all BPA free, these plates. It's 110 volts. Size-wise, it's about 10 inches across each way, and it's 7 or 8 pounds. It is a little bit heavy, but I don't care because I don't want this thing moving around when I'm cooking with it. It has a non-stick coating on it, and I just spray it with like vegetable spray, and then I hand wash it with Dawn soap and water and just set it on the counter to let it air dry, and then I put it away. It takes about like maybe 3 to 4 minutes to heat up, so it's pretty fast. But again, be careful about touching this because, and so normally what I'll do is I'll just take this, and while it's cooking, I'll just grab this, you know, put it here. This thing is so fantastic. I don't know how I would eat keto without it because I literally, like, I live off of chaffles and cutest little pancakes. I'm gonna just share that with you guys. I mean, this is a quality piece of cookware. This is something you buy and you have forever, and, you know, you give to people down the road. If you guys found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.